How to fix keyboard lag on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you are experiencing keyboard lagging issue on your Windows 11, we are here with some of the solutions that you can try on. To get started with, let's check for the driver updates. Outdated or incompatible keyboard drivers can often cause input lag or intag. So let's make sure that your drivers are up to date. For this, open Device Manager and then go to the Keyboard section. Click on your driver, right-click on it and then tap on the Update Driver button. This should probably work fine. If it does not, tap on this secondary option of the Windows Update. It will then take you to the Settings tab on your computer, and from there you have to check for any updates related to the driver or the system itself. Once you have checked for updates and updated your system, let's move on to the next solution. For this, you have to go to the accessibility option from the left side of the panel. Now you have to scroll down until you find the keyboard option, and then you have to toggle off the option of filter keys. Sometimes filter keys also causes issue to your keyboard lag, so make sure that it is turned off. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.